there is a wide range of different assets, including stocks, cash, property, insurance, etc. In terms of Hong Kong property, the price has been rising for a long time. It is long enough to become a myth, and it will only rise but never fall. So a lot of people in Hong Kong put their focus on the real estate market. The property investors are only from the local but also China and overseas, so it makes most of the locals strive extremely hard in a lifetime for a very basic property. Property price has raised for a long time and it has become a belief. In the past, many people thought that buying a property would definitely make them richer and richer, ignoring that the property market is a market that can rise or fall. If the major changes and unknown factors show up in the market, such as the relationship between major powers, politics, economy, natural disasters, and other forces, there will be significant risks then. So the problem one is the concentration of assets. If the type of assets are too concentrated, the portfolio will bear a greater risk of that asset. It's just like putting all the eggs in the same basket. When the economy is in recession, the property market will start to fall. The losses incurred by the concentration of assets will be much greater than the portfolio with the diversification of investments. For example, the value of a property is worth of 10 million Hong Kong dollars has decreased by 10%. The loss will be 1 million, which is equal to almost 60 trips to Japan. Problem 2 is wealth on paper. It is never a true profit until the asset has been sold in the market. The face value of the asset means nothing more than just some figures. Once the economy deteriorates, everyone will start to put their properties on sale in the market. The property price may fall sharply and no one will even bother to catch this bomb. The liquidity of the property is extremely low and is unlikely to sell it in batches in time. Problem 3 is endless printing of money. In recent years, countries have been printing money much more than ever before, and the rise in the property price will be offset by the increase in supply of money in a certain level. If a young property owner is still in the repayment period and is exposed to the risks mentioned above, it will be quite stressful. So how could asset reallocation solve the above problems? Suppose a property is worth of 10 million Hong Kong dollars. 50% of the value could be remortgaged to invest in other assets that provide a stable passive income. When it comes to investments, most of us would think about stocks like Tesla, Tencent, Alibaba, etc. This is actually a great option with good liquidity for mortgage repayment. Of course, it is necessary to balance risk and return. If you gamble the money in the Hong Kong Jockey Club or the casino in Macau, the potential risk would be much greater than the return without a doubt. Let's talk about the benefits of asset optimization. It is actually the use of idle assets. For example, when the property price has dropped by 10%, the dividend from the invested stocks with 10% could just offset what has been lost from the property. The second benefit is interest arbitrage. Back to the dividend of 10% is from the stock and the mortgage payment is 2.5%. After a deduction of mortgage repayment, the net annual income is 750,000 Hong Kong dollars. Apart from the support with mortgage repayment, extra income, passive income, also goes to the bank account. The third benefit, and it is the most important one of course, it is to improve the quality of life with extra interest gain in hand. In fact, there are many products with guaranteed returns and guaranteed capital in the market. If you're interested to know more about it, please click the like and subscription button and share it with your friends. You can also comment below or discuss with us more about it on WhatsApp or Facebook. Thank you.